construction enthusiasts and 3D modeling professionals. Today we're proud to introduce a game-changing asset for your industrial projects. The Beck concrete mixer equipment, meticulously designed for robust tandem trucks. With 48,000 precisely optimized polygons, we've captured every functional detail of this iconic mixing system that helped shape modern infrastructure. What makes this model stand out is its perfect balance of technical accuracy and creative flexibility. Fully detailed mixing drum with authentic proportions. Complete discharge mechanism ready for animation. PBR materials including industrial-grade metals and wear-resistant surfaces. Organized by material groups for seamless texturing workflows. This Beck concrete mixer is the ideal solution for construction simulator mods needing authentic equipment, historical infrastructure visualizations, industrial vehicle collectors expanding their libraries, game developers creating period-accurate construction sites. Available now through the links in description, this model represents more than just a 3D asset. It's a key to unlocking your most ambitious construction-themed projects. We're curious to know, what other construction equipment would you like to see recreated with this level of detail? Perhaps a vintage crane system? Or maybe earth-moving equipment from the same era? Your suggestions could become our next focus. If you find this content valuable, we'd appreciate you liking this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback directly helps us create more resources the community needs. Now tell us, how will you incorporate this concrete mixer into your work? Will it become part of a historical construction scene, the centerpiece of a new simulator mod, or perhaps an educational visualization? Because in the world of 3D modeling, it's these specialized components that transform good scenes into truly authentic experiences. With this Beck concrete mixer model, you're getting more than geometry. You're getting a piece of construction history ready for your creative vision.